Hi, I'm Paul, the outdoor movie guy, and today we're going to do an outdoor movie during the day. It's a socially distanced little birthday party for my son, but the movie that you want to watch is Hot Fuzz, and that movie does have a little bit of choice language. So instead of submitting our neighbors to that, a great way around that is to use silent cinema headphones. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's walk right over here. These are super easy. These are actually 2-channel headphones. So if I turn them on, they will change color right here. And right here we have 2 transmitters. So it doesn't matter which channel they use, they'll be able to hear the movie. Hey, so I'm going to give you a little bit more detail on how the silent cinema works. So these are your silent cinema headphones. You may also see these rented as silent disco or headphone party, something like that. It's all the same equipment. Most of them will connect through little receivers that will just plug into your RCA. But I'm going to go into a little bit more detail on exactly what I've done. So we're going to zoom down right here and see what's up if I hit the right button. Yay. All right, cool. So here are your basic, this is a 2-channel version of the silent cinema headphones. You can also get 3-channel. I've actually seen as many as 10-channel. I like the simple with the 2 channels for the simple reason there's less switching back and forth. You can do more channels if that's something that you need. So pretty easy. You power them on. Right now I'm on the blue channel. If I hit my channel AB, that'll turn to a green channel. Blue channel, green channel. Perfect. So the basic idea is one of your transmitters will be to one will be to the other. If you've ever been to a silent disco, you'll often have 2 different DJs on different tracks. At a silent cinema, you'll often have the audio track in English on one and Spanish on the other, or maybe the audio track on one and maybe a DJ on the other, so you can watch the film but just listen to music instead. It's completely up to you. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to go over a quick setup of exactly how we set the LED screen with the laptop to play. So the sound, instead of going into our audio system, we were just taking it straight out of the laptop using a simple headphone adapter to this. Now we wanted to put it onto both channels to make it really easy. So what we're going to do right here is I'm connecting my RCAs. So of course this would be into the laptop and it would be giving our right and left. And remember, red is right, just an easy way to remember that. So we're going to have both red cables from each of the 2 transmitters into this side and both of the white cables into this side. Now, if you have an RCA splitter or a mixer that gives you a couple of RCA outs, you can definitely just use that, but there's just a different way of getting around that. So I'm going to take my red one here, my red one here, because we want both of them going to the red. And now, whoa, my white one right here, and my white one right here. Now, I don't have the power plugged into these, but both of these definitely would have power. If we just look on the back of one of these, you just need to make sure that one is on channel A and one is on channel B, which is right there. And now this setup right now plugged into a laptop is going to allow both channels. So if anybody picks these headphones up and turns them on, it doesn't matter what channel they're on, they will get the same audio. All right. Hey, so I hope that helps. Now back to that other guy who's outside. Cheers. And this means we can do this movie during the day on the LED screen and not bother the neighbors with the language. So that's a great way around that problem. All right, thanks. Have a good one. Cheers.